So, let's talk about it. My wish list for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Someone who has owned every single Z Fold device ever released. Someone who currently owns the Z Fold 6 and the Z Flip 6. If I'm being honest with my wish list, there's really not much more I think they could upgrade the Z Fold 7 than the Z Fold 6. I would say overall wise, I want a bigger outside display. I love the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I think it's absolutely amazing. That's number one. A bigger battery would be number two. Probably the same camera system as the one that's going to be on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And that's it. For me, that's it. I know some people are going to say pen silo. Some people are going to say they want the crease to be better, which I really don't think it can get much better than it is right now, at least from Samsung's side. Let's see what this article said. So this article is coming in here from Android Authority, Andrew Grush, who gives his opinion on what he wants to see changed. So he agrees a premium camera. Okay, makes sense. Again, we saw that the Z Fold 6 Special Edition did host a 200 megapixel camera, which is the same camera system on the S24. So, across the board, I do agree with this. I think that they should just give us whatever the best camera is on the premium flagship anyway. This is a $2,000 phone. Let's keep the same exact, specs here. It's time to reduce the crease even further. Again, I don't think Samsung purposely keeps a crease on their cell phones. I know it's crazy to say that, but I don't think Samsung does it on purpose. I don't think Samsung knows how to completely get rid of their crease, or else they would have by now. Trust me, this would have been a selling point in the past if they could get rid of it. But the sad part is, I don't think they can get rid of it. So for people who keep saying, get rid of the crease, I don't think Samsung can get rid of their crease. If they could, I think they truly would. But the fact is, I don't think they can. So with that being said, I don't think this is something that is logical. There are logical points, like again, the better camera system. This isn't logical. They're not going to be able to get rid of the crease. No matter how hard they try, they're not going to get rid of it. It's time to embrace a slimmer design. See, I'm the opposite. I'm absolutely the opposite on this concept. I want more in my phone. I know some people like, hey, I want the thinnest possible cell phone possible. I don't. I like the thickness of the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I like the thickness of the Z Fold 6. If I get more out of my $2,000, I want more. Make it a tad bit thicker. Give me a bigger battery. I'll take a bigger battery if you make it a little bit thicker. I'll take a bigger screen if you make it a little bit bigger. You make it a little bit thicker, I'll take a bigger screen. I don't care. I don't know why we're so much in this foldable phone industry caring about making phones thin as possible. It's kind of like how we used to be when it came to phones had to be humongous. And then they had to be small. And now they have to be humongous again. In all honesty, I feel like a lot of this stuff is just superficial. Let's worry more about something that's logical, which is put as much as possible in these cell phones. Again, if you want a pen silo, I don't really care about it. But if it makes it a little bit thicker and a pen silo, and people really want that feature, then that's good. Add more features. Don't make it thinner and take away stuff. Fast charging is an absolute must. I agree with that. Yeah, definitely fast charging. Stronger battery life would be nice. I will say they have done a great job on the Z Fold series and the Pixel Fold series of optimizing these chips to have really good battery life when it comes to, efficiency wise. So even if it's not the biggest battery, it has enough horsepower it's optimized enough to go ahead and make it so you can actually still utilize these phones and utilize them for a very long time. So yeah, I think a bigger battery in general, I'm still on the fence about, I think we should have 5,000 every single foldable phone comes out should be $5,000. You're rocking 2 different displays. I know they do separate it between 2 different batteries. One's on one screen and one's on the other screen. But $5,000 unilaterally for both batteries combined, I think should be a thing moving forward. Again, we're spending $2,000. Come on. Feel like we gotta do better than this, right? With that being said, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.